My new Frigidaire Gallery fresh drawer has been freezing my vegetables since day one, even with the drawer setting as low as possible. Any solution?
Hello, my name is I'm happy to help you with your question today. Has anybody been out to look at it? There are a few things that the factory recommends doing. If you pull out the two bottom crispers, do you see the plastic vent louvers on the left?
Looking now. I see 4 open rectangles. There's a large plastic sheet covering the back as well.
Some at the front and some at the back? Back cover just covers the water tank. The openings will be on the left, on that center wall between the freezer and the fridge.
Yes, 4 rectangle-shaped openings on the left wall that separates fridge and freezer. No louvers, completely open. My mistake. There's a chill temp control in the same wall I never knew was there. I'm embarrassed.
I guess my reply disappeared? You basically have too much air getting down there. Factory fix is to block that chill temp, and restrict 1 or 2 of the others, using sealing putty, foam tape, whatever you have. This prevents too much air from migrating back into the fridge crisper area. This was the factory recommendation.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.